Today, Bruno might have taken things a little too far, just for lunch. This is a secretary bird, a fearless hunter known for kicking snakes to death. But today, she wasn't hunting. She was protecting her eggs. And Bruno, yeah, he didn't care. When Bruno is hungry, everything is food. She tried to fight Bruno off, kicking, striking, doing everything she could, as a mother protecting her children. But Bruno doesn't back down, not even against this. And just like that, nature made its choice, with one final move. And just like that, Bruno's stomach comes first. But Bruno wasn't done. Up in the nest, the future, the eggs, even that, didn't survive today. Yeah, this one was brutal. Nature doesn't care about mercy, only survival. And today, Bruno chose himself. If you made it this far, you already know. Like, subscribe, and stay ready for the next battle.
Stop!